Okay, I decided I want to share this little hack. I've always had trouble with these really large chicken wings when you put them in and you put them on a pan and you put them on the parchment paper and all the juices and oils from the bird just pool and you end up with soggy flesh. I decided to put down parchment paper on the broiler pan, and then I've been taking the knife and slitting right where, okay, I finished that side, and just slitting. Okay, so all of this, and then I'm putting down my wings, and the fats and juices should go down into the bottom pan, and these should end up being nice and crispy instead of all wet and soggy and nasty. So I will bake these at 375 for about 40 minutes, I think. We're at a higher elevation, so sometimes it's not what's on the package. I have to adjust for being up so high in the White Mountains. So we'll see. Let's see what happens once these come out. If these come out crispy, then I've got a little hack for everybody. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. And they look spectacular. And it looks like my little idea worked. Oh yes, look at that. They're not swimming in their juices. They look absolutely fantastic. Wonderful. Yes, it worked. They drained. They drained, and look at that. No stick, no sticking. They're ready to be tossed in buffalo sauce and eaten. Wow. That's a great hack. Okay, so I'm going to put them in the bowl, and I've made my homemade buffalo sauce. This is just Frank's Red Hot. It's almost 2 cups of Red Hot with a solid tablespoon of white vinegar and a stick of butter. Here we go. That was not the whole recipe of, 2 cups and whatnot. That was just part of it, reheated. And there we are, all plated, ready for lunch.